So I've come up with a list of things to know how to know what energy you support, because this is really important while you're doing your process of evolution. Pay attention to what you attract. Do you attract supportive, understanding energies or judgmental people always comparing? If it's the latter of the two, create healthy boundaries. Stick up and stand with people that resolve conflict rather than those that gaslight. When you've evolved enough to recognize people's words aren't in alignment with their intentions, call them out in a constructive way. If you find that you're surrounded by drama and people not willing to change, maybe it's time to move on. Otherwise, you are what you surround yourself with. So those are just a few things that you can do to help shift the energy. And the thing is, once we get into those environments where, people are talking behind people's backs, people are hating on other people, laughing at people, it just becomes very, very toxic. And that's where the low vibe energy will feed. And it also affects your energy for creating a healthier future for yourself. So it might be one environment that you're in where you're attracting these people, but you'll see it will come in from other angles until you leave that environment. And there's a difference between observation and comparing. So when you're comparing yourself, you're always kind of like doing it in a way that knocks down the other person. But when you're observing, you're just taking a non-judgmental approach to recognize where everything sits. If someone's saying one thing, but then they're doing a different thing, well, maybe you're in an environment where a lot of people are actually doing that, and that's something that you're at that level too. So just to be aware of that, if you want to evolve and get more of what you truly desire and get in alignment and on the vibration where you're in a healing frequency instead of the energy that's feeding the demonic agenda. So with all the stuff happening on the planet right now, that's one thing that you can really do to help shift it. That's probably the most important thing you can do, and the safest thing you can do, and the healthiest thing you can do, because it all starts with our own personal lives and creating change within to change the exterior. So you guys got this. Happy healing. We're all in this together.